Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide friend list on Facebook. If you want to make your Facebook profile more private, you can hide your friend list and control who can follow you, and this prevents other users from easily viewing your connection and limits who can see your public activity. So firstly, open your Facebook app, and after that in the top left there's this three-lined icon. Select there. And over here, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find this setting and privacy, and select settings again from here. So over here, what you need to do is scroll a bit down until you find this audience and visibility, and you need to select this how people find and contact you. And after that, you need to select this who can see your friend list in the top, and which is public. What you need to do is you need to select this see all and select only me, and select save after that. And this is how you can hide friend list on your Facebook. And that is it. By updating your Facebook privacy setting, you can hide your friend list and giving you more control over your profile and personal information. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.